Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to take optical communication. It is nothing but it is a type of light wave communication. In this optical communication, we are using a light signal is used to carry the information from one source to another destination. Like this is called optical communication. That optical communication we are using optical fibers. So here we are using fiber as transmission medium, right? So we are using optical fibers. It can be used as a transmission medium. This is called optical communication. First of all, we should know why we go for optical communication. These saw the advantages of optical communication. First one is long distance transmission. In ancient days also people use fire signal method. If they want any help means they call for help by showing fire signal. To they can communicate to a people located in a long distance because light can travel humanly very faster. The speed of light is 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. So we can achieve a long distance transmission. Next one is larger bandwidth. This is the primary advantage of optical fiber or of optical communication. Why we prefer optical fiber instead of copper wire? Because we can achieve a larger bandwidth and we have a better data rate, right? The next one is faster transmission. Faster transmission means, already I have told, the speed of light is very faster. We can revolve the entire earth for 7.2 times within a fraction of a second. That is the advantage of optical communication. For example, if you want to download a full movie by using a copper wire, maximum the speed will take 10 minutes, right? Suppose if you are replacing optical fiber instead of copper wire, we can download a full movie within a fraction of a second. That much speed is achieved in optical communication. The next one is immunity to electrical interference. So in this optical communication, it is highly immune to electrical interference. That means we does not have any interference because in optical communication for data transmission, we are using optical fibers, right? So this optical fibers are dielectric material. So it does not conduct any electricity. We don't have any interference and crosstalk will not occur like copper wires, right? So in this optical communication, it is highly immune to electrical interference. The next advantage is small size and low weight. We can replace a large amount of copper wire, bulky copper wire, with a small single piece of fiber. The single piece of optical fiber can do the function of a large amount of copper wire. So we are using the small size and low weight cable. This small size and low weight cable, fiber cable, is needed in applications like aircraft, satellite and ships. So we are using this applications. The next one is enhanced safety. So already I have told it does not conduct any electricity. So we does not have any shock. We does not suffer from any shock like electrical signals which used in copper wire. So it is provide enhanced safety. The next one is increased signal security. There is no loss of signal. The signal is highly secured in optical communication because we are using optical fiber. No, this optical fiber, we have opaque coating around the fiber. So it does not allow any signal emissions from the core or from the cable. So there is no leak of information. So it is highly secured. This application is highly used in financial, legal and government side. So we have increased signal security in this optical communication. These are all the advantages used in optical communication. That's why we go for optical communication. This is the block diagram of optical communication. These are all the components we are used in optical communication. First one is source. It may be a LED or laser. Next one is, first one is signal source, the source which we are sent. Second one is optical transmitter, optical receiver, signal destination. Here we are using a fiber optic cable. So coming to the signal source means it is nothing but the information which we are giving, like text or voice or video, whatever may be. That is the information. it can be sent through the copper cable. Normally we are sent through the copper cable. So this voice or a video, it is in the form of electromagnetic waves. It can be sent through the copper wire. This electromagnetic waves which is received by optical transmitter. So we can use the optical transmitter as LED or laser. This LED or laser can able to convert this electrical signal into light signal. After converting the light signal, the optical transmitter sent the light energy signal through the optical fiber cable. This optical fiber cable can carry the light signal to the optical receiver. This optical receiver may be a photodetector or pin diode or avalanche photodiode, right? This photodiode can receive the light signal and convert this light signal into electrical signal. It can pass through the copper wire cable. And at the signal destination, we can recollect the original information what we are sending. It may be a text, video or whatever. Without any loss or without any less loss, we can obtain our original information in this optical communication. The main advantage is we can achieve a larger bandwidth and the speed is very higher when compared to the traditional copper wire connection. So this is the block diagram of optical communication. Next one is these are all the elements which we are used in block diagram. Transmitter, optical fiber, receiver. Already I have told. Transmitter means we can use LED or laser. In optical fiber, working as a transmission medium, and receiver may be a photodetector, avalanche photodiode or photo or pin diode. Next one is optical fiber. So this is the cross section of optical fiber. In optical fiber, we have three components. One is core, second one is cladding, third one is jacket. So we can call it as a buffer coating. Coming to this core, it is the central part of the optical fiber. Light can propagate through this optical fiber. It can travel inside the core. This is the inner part of the fiber. It looks like a glass or silica. It is like a transparent. So core is the central part. Second one is cladding. Core is surrounded by a cladding. Cladding is the outermost part. This cladding is mainly provided to give a strength to the core, and it can avoid any emissions from the core. So it provides a mechanical strength. The next one is buffer coating or jacket. This is the outermost cover. It may be made of a plastic, right? So it acts like an insulator. It gives additional strength to the core and cladding. So this is the cross section of optical fiber. Next, we have seen the applications of optical fiber. We can use it in telecommunication field and networking field, and medical field is highly used this optical communication, and industrial applications are also used. So these are all the applications of optical communication. In this video, we have seen the general introduction of optical communication. Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe my video. Thank you. Thank you for watching.